My pig's name is Porky. She's a white belt to gilt.
His name's Moon Pie and he's a crossbred Barrow.
My pig is a Duroc. Her name's Tomato. She has a very big personality.
He's always goofing around.
It's just fun.
Our program's successful because we have kids that are very goal-driven, and they know you're not going to get that in any other classroom, and that's one reason they want to be in agriculture.
In our ag program, it's just so much fun and we're always doing so many activities together.
We were so blessed and lucky to get the MFA community grant. It's $5,000 and it was a matching grant to be able to help us build the swine facility. Without a community behind you, none of this could be built. We are very rural, but there's a lot of kids that they don't have the facilities at home.
I would not have the opportunity to have a pig if I didn't have the barn here. We live out in the country, but we live on the HOA, so we can't have any animals on the land.
I have a farm, but we don't have any fencing, so I have to keep her here for now.
They come in morning before school and after school, and they take care of their hogs, and they're looking forward to being able to show them this summer at the fairs. The hands-on component, it takes the classroom to real world. And that is what is so unique for these kids, to be able to get out of the classroom and be able to put what they're learning inside on the computers to real work.
I think raising pigs has helped me to just learn, for one, money management and time management, and just learning to take care of something that isn't just myself.
They come away with something that they've never done before. And you're going to see a lot of success in the future just for them getting to participate in these opportunities.